Biological classification. Lichens. Introduction. Lichens are dual or composite organisms made up of association between fungi and algae. Lichens are a symbiotic, mutual, beneficial, and positive, positive permanent association or relationship of fungi and algae. Lichens represent thallus-like undifferentiated body in which fungi is dominant partner. Lichens. Introduction. In lichen thallus, fungal partner is called as mycobiont and algal partner is called as phycobiont or photobiont. Mycobiont forms bulk of lichen up to 90 to 95% part of the thallus, whereas phycobiont form 1 to 5% part of the lichen thallus. In lichen, mycobiont, that is fungal partner, mostly belong to Ascomycetes and sometimes Basidiomycetes. Lichens having Ascomycetes fungi are called as ascolichens, and if having Basidiomycetes fungi, then called as basidiolichens. Lichens. Introduction. Examples of ascolichens are Graphis, Cladonia, Pamelia, Usnea, etc. And examples of basidiolichens are Corella, Cora, etc. In lichen thallus, phycobionts mostly belong to class Chlorophyceae, that is eukaryotic green algae like Chlorella, Triboxia, Protococcus, Pamela, etc. and also cyanobacteria, that is prokaryotic blue-green algae like Nostoc, Cytonema, Chlorococcus, etc. Lichens. Introduction. In ascolichens, algal partners are mostly of Chlorophyceae, that is eukaryotic green algae, and in basidiolichens, algal partners are cyanobacteria, that is prokaryotic blue-green algae. Most of the lichens are ascolichens. Triboxia is most common unicellular green alga present in lichens. Crombie gave master and slave hypothesis for association of mycobiont, that is dominant organism, and master, and phycobiont, that is slave, in lichen thallus. Lichens. Introduction. Lichens are also called as helotism, most accepted association nowadays. The term lichen was coined by Theophrastus 370 to 285 BC, also known as father of botany. Study of lichens is called as lichenology. Eric Ocharius is known as father of lichenology. In lichens, algal partner synthesize food, that is carbohydrate, by photosynthesis and provides nutrition to the fungal component, whereas fungal partner provides shelter and absorb water and minerals for algal component. Lichens. Lichens are thallus-like undifferentiated perennial plants that show slow growth. Lichens exist in various colors like black, gray, yellow, brown, green, orange, etc. Lichens can grow in most inhospitable and uninhabited places like rocks, icy tundra, alpines, sand dunes, roof, wall, wood, bark, etc. They generally live in humid and exposed areas but are capable of tolerating extreme desiccation also. Lichens. Lichens growing on barren rocks called as saxicolous. Lichens growing in soil called as terricolous. Lichens growing on wood called as lignicolous. Lichens growing on tree bark called as corticolous. According to some scientists, as fungi take nutrition, that is food, from algae, thus fungi are called as controlled parasite in lichen thallus, and such kind of parasitism is known as helotism. Lichens. Structure of lichen thallus. Lichens thallus is dorsiventrally flattened structure. Upper part of the thallus is made up of compactly interwoven or tangled fungal mycelium called as upper cortex. Below upper cortex is algal zone or photosynthetic zone having photosynthetic algae. Algal zone form only a small part of the thallus. Below algal zone is presence of loosely arranged fungal mycelium called as medulla. Below medulla, the lowermost part of thallus is made up of compactly arranged mycelium called as lower cortex. Lichens. Lichens have false roots called as rhizine develop from lower part, that is lower cortex of the thallus. Rhizine acts as a attaching device that fixes the thallus with the substratum. Thus, fungi help in anchoring of thallus. In lichen, sexual reproduction is performed by mycobiont, that is fungi only. Mycobiont also develop fruiting bodies. Lichens. Types of lichens. Based on external morphology or shape of thallus, lichens are of three types. Number one, crustose lichens. These lichens give crust-like appearance. Thallus is dorsiventrally flattened and is adhered or attached over substratum like rocks etc. at several points. For example, लो G देर रात हो गई. L for lecanora, G for graphis, D for dermatocarpon, R for rhizocarpon, H for hematoma, गई for no meaning. Lichens. Number two, foliose lichens. These lichens have flat, broad, lobed and leaf-like thallus which is attached to the substratum at one or few points by rhizoids-like structures called rhizines. Rhizines are hairs-like structures which develop from lower, that is ventral part of thallus from fungal mycelium. For example, P for Pamelia, P for Peltigera. Lichens. Number three, fructicose lichens. These lichens are cylindrical ribbon-like branched structures having bush-like appearance and are attached to the substratum with the help of special structure called disc. For example, CLUEBR, CLUBR, Cl cladonia, U usnea, E evernia, B bryonia, R ramelina. Lichens. Cladonia grows erect and usnea hang from substratum. In fructicose lichens, disc which helps in attachment is mucilaginous in nature. Fragmentation. Accidental breaking or mechanical injury of thallus due to wind or animal's bite results in formation of fragments of the thallus. Each fragment can produce a new lichen thallus. Note: progressive death and decay of old central part of thallus also results in separation of thallus into few fragments which grow in new lichens. Lichens, special structures in the lichen thallus. Number one, breathing pore, a pore present on upper cortex of thallus which helps in exchange of gases. Number two, syphilae, special pore present on lower cortex of thallus helps in exchange of gases. Syphilae is functionally equivalent, that is analogous to stomata of leaves. Lichens, special structures in the lichen thallus. Number three, cephalodia. It represents swollen, bulged outgrowths of mycelium of upper cortex which help in retaining water and moisture, prevent evaporation of water from thallus. Cephalodia consist of both fungal hyphae and algal partner in it. In cephalodia, algal partner is nitrogen fixing blue-green algae, whereas in algal zone of thallus, algal partner is chlorophycean algae. Such types of lichens thallus showing two different types of algae are called as diphycobiont lichens. Lichens. Cephalodia also performs nitrogen fixation. Accidental detachment of cephalodia from thallus can produce new lichen thallus, as cephalodia consists of both fungal partner and algal partner. Isidia, it represents tubular superficial outgrowths of mycelium of upper cortex whose primary function is to increase light absorbing surface area and photosynthetic activity. Isidia consists of both algal partner and fungal partner. Thus, accidental breaking of Isidia can grow into new lichens. Lichens, Soridia. These are most efficient means of asexual reproduction in lichens. Soridia are asexual buds or propagules produced inside sori or pustules. Soridia have centrally present algal partner surrounded by fungal mycelium present on surface of thallus. Detachment and dispersal of Soridia by air current grow into new lichens after falling on suitable substratum. Lichens. Lichens represent early colonizers or pioneers during ecological succession in barren areas. Lichens grow over rocks, secrete weak acids like oxalic acids and carbonic acid. These acids perform weathering of rocks that results in soil formation, which is suitable for growth of bryophytes, that is mosses. Due course of time, finally, in that area, after pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms growth, a fully flourished forest is developed. Lichens help in ecological succession. Lichens. Lichen cannot tolerate air pollution, especially due to sulfur dioxide. Thus, lichens are considered as best air pollution indicator. The sulfur of sulfur dioxide replaces or destroys magnesium of chlorophyll pigment of algae, and chlorophyll is converted into colorless pigment pheophytin, process called as pheophytization. Due to pheophytin formation, photosynthetic ability of algae decrease that ultimately causes death of lichen thallus. Lichens. Economic importance. Food and fodder. Cladonia rangifera, that is reindeer moss, is the staple food of reindeer, caribou, and musk ox, etc. in tundra. Citraria islandica, that is Iceland moss, is used as food article in Iceland, Sweden, and Norway. Lecanora sculenta is regarded as bread of heaven by Jews. Dermatocarpon miniatum, that is stone mushroom, is used as vegetable in Japan. Pamelia, that is rock flower, is also used as food in South India and as curry powder. Lichens, economic importance. Dyes. Orchil is obtained from Rossella tinctoria and Rossella montagni, which is used as source of litmus, a pH indicator or acid base indicator before advent of synthetic products. Perfumes. Ramalina and Ivernia produce scented essence. Air pollution. Decrease in lichen population of an area is indicative of sulfur dioxide pollution. Lichens, economic importance. Medicines. Usnic acid got from usnia, that is old man's beard, and cladonia has broad spectrum antibiotic properties. It is used in preparation of ointment for burns and wounds. Peltigera canina is used against hydrophobia. Forest fire. Usnia is of inflammable nature, responsible for forest fire during hot or summer season. Lichens are pioneer colonizer of barren rocks, cliffs, mountains, new terrains.